Hey y'all, my name is Chris Leach. I'm an applications engineer here at Cambridge Air Solutions, and today I wanted to share with you a little bit about our Tru BTU tool. So this web application tool can be utilized to calculate different types of heating efficiencies and effectiveness across different direct-fired technologies. You can compare blow-through to a draw-through or even recirculation technology. Then we can calculate the exact amount of usable BTU for your project and your customer.
All right, let's go through the Tru BTU calculator. So to get there, we need to go to cambridgeair.com. We'll go to our rep login, enter our information there, and on our home page, we're going to scroll down and click on our Tru BTU tab. This will bring up the Tru BTU calculator, and we're just going to enter some information on the project name, the location, and city. That will auto-populate your elevation, your outside temp based on ASHRAE design conditions, and your inside temp. I'm actually going to change this to 70 so you can override these if you like. So right now I am going to match all three technologies at 10,000 CFM. You can also match them at usable BTUs or total BTUs, but for this one, I'm just going to use CFM. As we scroll down, we'll see our blow-through requirements: discharge temp at 160 degrees, temp res at 160 degrees. That is normal for our HTHV technology, and then as we continue to go down, we can see our draw-through, which is much less, at 120 degrees. This is typical since a lot of the components are in the hot air stream. And then we go down to recirculating. They also call this 80-20. So we're pulling in 80% of the indoor air. They're recirculating and then bringing in 20% outside air. And the discharge temp on this is typically around 90. And that can be changed as well, but for now we're just going to keep these. To get the results, we're just going to click Get Results Summary. That will pull up this next page where we have a summary of the equipment and the design conditions. So blow-through versus draw-through on this tab right here, and then blow-through versus recirculating here, showing our usable BTUs versus each technology. So you can see here we got 1090, and then as we scroll down to the blow-through, draw-through, your usable BTU is 483 MPH, which is much less. And the usable BTU is used to heat the conduction load inside the space. So once we have this information, we have the ability to share it through reports. And to do this, you're just going to click the Share This tab, and this will generate a report. Once your reports have been generated, this will pop up, which is going to send an email with the reports in a link. So we need to enter all the information for who you're sending it to, who you're sending it from. I'm just going to put it from myself to myself. And then what's going to be in the subject line, what's going to be in the message. And then down here are the different types of reports that we have available. I'm going to use the draw-through comparison with full calculations. I'm also going to include a case study that we've done. Also, if you want to see a sample of what this looks like, just click View Sample. You'll be able to see what will be sent to your customer. So again, they'll highlight the net BTU and highlight the net BTU for the other technology. So we can see the vast difference that discharge air temperature makes. When you're done with that, we click Send. This will send an email to your customer, and I'll show you that in just a second. And this is what the email will look like to your customer. It will include the results that we just showed you in a link, and then you'll also see that I typed in test, an example here. Obviously, you can put a larger message. But that's it for the Tru BTU calculator. Hope this helped you be able to navigate this a little better.
Thank you for your time today. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local Cambridge representative.